Hi guys, and today we're going to play Minecraft. This is my first video on Minecraft. I've played Minecraft tons of times before. You might have seen people do this before, I hope you have. And this is bringing back my first video playing Minecraft, and I've already said that. But today we're going to be playing Hypixel. We're going to be playing Build Battle. Yeah, Build Battle, guys. Build Battle. Build Battle's like sometimes improves my. Oh god, I've got to do a helicopter. Right. I bet you're going to be really slow at this because I've been doing this, but without doing a video. Right. As I'm going to become a YouTuber, I'm going to be able to do this. I can do this. Helicopter. What can I do for a helicopter? I'm going to do... Let me check what Cyan actually looks like. Oh yeah, Ben's changing controls. Why didn't I think of that in the first place? Yeah, Spidercraft boy, you know. You might see some of his videos. He always changes the controls when he goes in here. Yeah, okay. So, I'm going to do one. I'm going to do a bit, like, and do there. I know you might be like, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's a helicopter. I'm doing an emergency helicopter. Or this might not look like a helicopter to you. But when I'm done, it probably won't look like a helicopter to me either. Anyway, I need some red clay. I know you're probably like, why do you need red stained clay? Because I'm doing an emergency helicopter. You might be like that, you might be not. Some people. Sorry if you're one of these, but some people are a bit mad. No offense if you are one. No offense. I could be a bit mad sometimes. My brother says I am. Benny Boy, no, you might know it's Benny Boy or Spidercraft Boy or Ben. But I say he's mad sometimes, and I'm mad sometimes. So, doesn't really matter. You might have heard of Sunday, because my brother watched Sunday and he's mad. Really mad. And funny at the same time. I don't know how though. Yeah, I've got this person. I had this person in my class named Josh. He was completely mad. Josh made. Everyone laughed at him. He was so mad. I'm probably going to never forget him, unfortunately. Well, he is still in my class because I'm still at primary school. I'm year 3. I'm going to go into year 4. And I'm going to have some holidays, so I might do quite a lot of videos. Then probably I'm going to stop doing quite a lot. Then do quite a lot and stop. And then, yeah. So I'm so sorry if you don't get to see many of my videos, because if I don't do many, it's just because, yeah, you know. Right. Yeah, my brother made a video at the same time as me today. No, not the same time. He's finished his. I did one after him. I think this is where I go up to, yeah, like this. Although this does not look like cyan, does it? Anyway, I didn't want cyan. Look, cyan, stained clay. It does not look. Oh God, I've only got 1 minute remaining. Ah! I've been talking too much and haven't been paying attention to the time. Sorry guys, I'm not going to talk for this moment. just watch my building and listen to the music. I'm going to disconnect. I'm so scared. I don't know why I did that. Right, let's try do it better this time. Oh god, oh no, I have to do this again to carry on. I'm gonna not do it. Nah. Oh god. I've only got 4 minutes 18 seconds left to show you guys. I'm gonna say poop. No, I'm gonna actually say good. I'm gonna say legendary. This is way, way better than mine. I should have done a smaller one, shouldn't I, guys? If you want more of this, subscribe. You don't have to subscribe though. You could just say something like more. Okay. Mine's rubbish. I know. People are gonna not vote for me. But it's because I was talking to you guys too much. Next time, I hope it's a shorter one and I'll concentrate. Okay, probably I'll only be able to do one each go. And one each video, probably. Hi. Oh god, I'm not voting. 4. Oh, that's epic actually. I'm going to do legendary. 6, legendary! I don't know why I did legendary, but okay, I've done it. I'm nearly running out of time on the video. Okay guys. Epic. Just hurry up, will you? Hope that was the last one. No, it wasn't epic. I'm just going to do epic for all of them. Even if they're rubbish, even if they were block. Who cares? I don't care. The video is nearly going to be finished soon. Yeah, they're meant to be only 10 minutes long. Sorry about that, guys. Epic. I don't know why I'm saying epic for all of them. I'm dumb sometimes, not all the time though. Epic. Finish, will ya? Please say this is the last one. No. This last one. Epic. Please say this is the last one. Because I need to end the video. I need to go somewhere. Eek. Oh, finally. Okay, I came 14th. Who cares? It's last. It's because I was so... Well, them fireworks go up quick. Bye, guys. I will see you all later. Goodbye.